Hello Unique Squad, this is Unique Makeovers DIY. Welcome to my unique YouTube channel where you get to share unique ideas and great things. Yes. And techniques as well. So today we want to unbox these. We want to unbox these professional tripod. Yeah, it's a professional tripod that I got for someone. Because reason why I got this one, it's because it's a strong one. So basically I had to get a professional one. Yes, professional one, because I needed a strong tripod. Yes, for that purpose. So yeah, and I got this one I got from a company by the name Lenny Ventures. They have been the people who have been selling me my tripod. This is actually my third one, and so far they have never disappointed. So we're gonna do unboxing together and see what it has got. So I'll remove this, put that there. So this is how it looks like. It comes in a bag. It has a carrying bag. So basically, when you don't want to carry the box, you can just carry this and you're good to go. Yes, you can just carry this and good to go. You can adjust the height depending on how tall you are and all that. So yes, let's do this. So let's get to see inside. Okay. Put that aside. So it has two other things. We have something that I think is a remote here, wireless remote shutter is on here. You see how it works, but definitely that means you have to switch on and off the Bluetooth in your phone for you to be able to do that. Let me see how to use it. The instruction on how to use it, how to connect it with whatever you're using to record. So let's not spend more time on this. At least this one has a manual. You can put this one here. We have this one. This one is a very important aspect of this. This is the phone holder. So there's a way you screw this on this using either this hole if you're going to record using landscape, or this one using the preference you want to record with. So this is a phone holder. It's adjustable, as you can see. Yeah, you can put that aside. You leave it after you have looked at this. This is the main deal. Yeah, this is how the tripod looks like. It's 2 meters long. So basically it has these things here, which you're meant to open like that. Yeah, so it gets that height with those two. That height. I don't know whether the level of my other tripod is long enough, but anyway, that is how it looks like. So when you do that, you're supposed to lock like that, so that it doesn't get in again. So with that, you can stand on its own like that. That is how it's supposed to be. You may not be seeing the upper side because of the phone adjustment, but let me show you the length of it. That is how long it is. There. So this is how it is. For now, we're just using the middle length. We're not using any other. So here is where you're supposed to screw this into to be able to have the phone held on it. So the first thing you do is to have this holder there. There's this knob here. There's a knob here which you unlock. When you unlock, this one comes out like that. This is how it looks like. There's a screw. This is what will help us to screw in the phone holder. So what you get to do is just hold this. So I'll use this side. You hold this behind here, and then you screw that. Just screw it. There's a small knob here which is disturbing. There you go. It holds so firmly. Then you come back here, place it there, and then make sure it's all fixed. Yes, like that. Then you wait a minute. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Then you lock it. You see? Now you can easily place your phone there. Let me demonstrate with another phone on how to put the phone. I've come with the phone. So let's put it here. So as I said, this is adjustable. Okay. Let me use this side. So this is adjustable. So when you want to record, you just come here, increase that and put your phone there, depending on which side you want it to look, and you're good to go. So that's how the phone is supposed to be. Let me adjust this a little bit, because since you can see you can now see the phone there. I had to cover my seat with the pink forever for you to be able to see, because my seat is black, everything is black, so it wasn't coming out so well. So by now you can be able to see. So this is how the tripod looks like. You've seen me use this. You've seen me use this. Now the advantage of this compared to what I'm using, this one has this thing. You can be able to adjust to whichever level you want, rather to turn the phone to whichever level you want, like this. You can turn it the way you want without having to move the one I'm using. If you have to do all those turnings, you have to turn with the entire tripod. This one, no. This one comes with this, and it makes your work easier when you're recording. And then it has this knob. Let me show you what this knob does. You open it a little bit, and then with that, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. As in, when you want to take the 360-degree, whatever, you do not have to turn with the tripod. With that, you can do it. Look at that. Yeah. Perfect, perfect, perfect. But if you don't want to do that, just lock it. Okay, let me turn it. Yeah, lock it. And there you are. So you might get to a point whereby and think this height is not enough. The height you want. Okay. You may think the height is not fine. So you want to increase the height. Apart from what I'd shown you, there's more. I told you it's a 2 meters height. So there's more room here. You unlock that knob, and then using this, there's one thing that is here. Using this, you don't do it manually. Let me do it from this other side. Using this, you increase the height of increase the height like that. Increase the height. Increase the height. Let's see how far it will go. Increase the height. Don't pull it with your hand. This is the reason why this knob is there, not using your hand. So that is the maximum height. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, that is the maximum height. There. Remember, I've already locked the other ones. So bringing it back, you still use the knob. But once you do that, and you make sure you lock it. When you lock it like that, it can't move on its own. So because I want to bring it back, I have to do this. Because with this, just for demonstration, you don't want to use it. So if you have such, make sure you use this rather than using, when you use your hand, it will, the nuts, or rather the adjusting whatever will go loose, and it'll stop, then you lock it back. So this is how this tripod look. It's a professional one. As you can see, it's a professional. It can be used with you can use it with the camera, you can use it with the phone, you can use it to the best of the knowledge. What has made me love this most is the fact that it's able to go around. The fact that it has this, it's so adjustable, it has this, and the fact that it's able to go round. That is why I love it so much, because the purpose at why I was buying it need this. You don't need to have keeping on moving with the tripod itself, but you can only turn the camera or the whatever you're recording with to the point of your need, like that. You see? Perfect, 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 perfect. You're locking it. And then you're putting it like that. So these are professional tripod and can be used for field works purposes, for church work purposes and all that. So if you need one, get in touch. Let your write down in the comment section. I'll connect you to Lenny Ventures, who will supply with this. Yeah. As I was telling you, there's a remote here. So what you need to do is, when you're recording using this remote, you only need to put your Bluetooth on, then you switch these on. They connect to each other, and then you can operate it from wherever. You don't have to be there to be pressing the knobs and everything. With this, it's sufficient for you. So that is it for now. Yeah, if you're looking for one, and as I told you, it's easy to carry because it comes in the bag, so you don't need to carry the box with you. This bag is comfortable and all that. I hope you like the video. I hope you'll bring recommendation and all that. Can you remember to share, like, and comment? Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you. Bye-bye.